My name is Damien Owens. I am the Energy Coordinator here at Mannok Cement. At Mannok, we've been manufacturing cement for 30 years, operating at our 35-hectare site. We've been producing approximately 1.4 million tonnes annually, supplying our customers across UK and Ireland. Our Mannok Energy team at our site consists of an array of engineers from the process department, mechanical department and electric department, all with a common goal with improving energy efficiency. As one of the most energy intensive industries, cement plants consume around 100 kWh for each tonne of cement produced. Recognising the climate crisis, we are committed to manufacturing cement more sustainable. In 2022, we saved almost 8 million kWh of energy through 9 key thermal and electrical improvement projects. These projects included repairing false air leaks, optimising raw materials and investing in new technology upgrades. From the start of our 50,001 journey back in 2017, we have saved 59 GWh of energy, which is the equivalent annual household energy use of 14,047 houses in Ireland. This standard is for organisations committed to addressing their impact, conserving resources and improvement through efficient energy management. Through implementing 50,001, we are now measuring all significant energy users across the cement plant. All data is synced to the energy management software, providing a holistic view of our energy consumption levels. This visibility is crucial for both our mission to reduce energy usage and identifying issues and driving process improvement, such as repairing false air leaks in key areas have had a huge impact both electrically and thermally. These projects have demonstrated the value of good operational control and maintenance, as well as consistent control of raw materials in delivering a significant proportion of our savings. We have key energy saving projects planned in the near future. The new satellite burner will introduce more SRF to the kiln and enable a further 25% of coal substitution. This project will be followed by the installation of a jet flex burner, which will allow us to use hydrogen, oxygen and biogas, increasing throughput of SRF to 65% by significantly reducing coal usage. These projects include upgrading of the remainder of cooler fans, which has the potential to save 800 kWh of energy. Investment in new cement dryer has the potential to save 60,000 kWh of energy and improve process control and air quality. Another key project in the pipeline is our waste heat recovery initiative, which will displace a substantial 5 to 6 megawatts of grid electricity. The Mannok 2030 vision demonstrates the company's commitment to environmental responsibility. It roadmaps the progress the company will make towards a carbon-free future over the next 7 years, while paving the way for net zero emissions by no later than 2050. Further investment of around 5 million will be made in 2024 in the refurbishment of our cooler. We expect this investment to dramatically improve our energy efficiency. It's an exciting time at Mannok Cement. Our commitment to maintaining the ISO 50001 standard aligns with the Mannok 2030 vision, which is the company's sustainability strategy.